Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how you can make this beautiful handbag using an old pair of jeans. So this old pair of jeans I took and I'm going to cut out the section. This is the measurement that I have used. Now you can use any measurement that you like, but this was ideal for my bag, that size that I wanted. So I just cut out the fabric and I'm going to use a plastic shelf liner for sturdiness, so that it can be sturdy and also waterproof. So I'm just going to glue this. You can also use a hot glue gun. So I'm just going to attach this to the liner. Now I wanted to add a back pocket so I can easily store my phone. So I just add here at this point. So I'm just going to add another piece of fabric here. So just glue it all around. Now this is really easy and the result was astonishing. I mean, I was very impressed the way it came out. Now I wanted to add inner liner, so I just choose a fabric that I had on hands, and for the side ones I'm going to prepare a piece that is a 5x2, but you wanted to add additional ½ inch on each side. So attach this to both sides like this. Now I'm going to glue this together so you can see how it turns out as we work on this. Now leave the other part for now, and I also added another pocket inside, so I'm going to add a pocket right now. So the inner fabric liner is ready. Now I'm going to assemble this together, align this together, and we're going to glue it. So this is why I left the second part, because it's easier to attach the liner. So it's perfectly attached. I chose red fabric because it adds accent to the bright denim color. So it's blue and inside it's red. So the handbag is ready almost. So now I'm going to attach a magnetic clasp to close the handbag. So I just align it with the flap, and I'm going to pierce 2 holes so that I can attach it. This is really easy to attach. So here goes the first part, and now I'm going to attach the second part. So this is all attached. Now I'm going to add the belt. I added a little fringe, so I just pulled out the threads and created this fringe. It looks really cute. So I attached the belt. Now you can embellish the way you like. I added a little charm, so I just made out of some beads and denim fabric I had on hands. So I added a jumper cable already. I sew it to the handbag so I can easily add the charm, or you can remove it later, if you wanted to customize it. So it looks very beautiful, isn't it? Now I added these flowers which I made in my previous video. You can check that out. and I attached those here in the front. Now look how beautiful it is. Now I'm going to load this with my daily essentials like wallet and compact and all that, and I have this bag is ready. I have a customized pocket for my phone, which I really like. So this is cute details, cute flowers. The belt is really nice, and it's classy, it's elegant, it's very compact design, easily accessible pocket for my phone. What else you want from a bag? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like. It means a lot to me. And you can also watch other videos on the link, or you can visit my channel page. Thank you for watching.